Chasing Windmills, Unveiling its Meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to explore: chasing windmills. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression and how you can use it in your daily English communication. The phrase, chasing windmills, originates from the classic Spanish novel, Don Quixote, by Miguel de Cervantes. In the story, the main character, Don Quixote, attacks windmills, mistaking them for giants. Despite the obvious futility and the reality that the windmills are just windmills, Don Quixote insists on seeing them as formidable foes. This act of mistaking windmills for giants and the subsequent battle represents an engagement in futile endeavors or fighting imaginary enemies. It's a vivid illustration of pursuing goals that are either unattainable or non-existent. In modern English, saying someone is chasing windmills suggests they are engaging in pointless pursuits, investing time and energy into a cause that is either hopeless or doesn't exist. It's often used to describe actions driven by illusion, misinterpretation, or extreme idealism. Examples in sentences: trying to convince the boss to change his mind on this project is like chasing windmills. It's just not going to happen. She's been chasing windmills for years, trying to make it in an industry where she has no connections or significant talent. When you want to use chasing windmills in conversation or writing, it's important to ensure that the context involves a pursuit or effort that is unlikely to yield results. It's a way to highlight the futility or impracticality of certain endeavors without directly stating that they are impossible. Tips for usage: use it when discussing projects, ideas, or goals that seem unrealistic or based on a misunderstanding of the situation. It's a metaphorical expression, so it pairs well with discussions that involve dreams, ambitions, or conflicts. We hope this exploration of the phrase, chasing windmills, has illuminated its meaning and origins for you. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and history they carry with them. Next time you hear or use the phrase, you'll know exactly what it conveys about the nature of certain pursuits. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and may your endeavors be fruitful and not like chasing windmills.